Gattu Chinky and Annual Skit. Preparations for annual function were going on in Gattu Chinky's school. Auditions were going on for different programs like dance, skit and music show. Gattu Chinky had also come to audition for the skit.
Chinky, you are in the greenhouse, so you have to audition for the greenhouse coordinator Shreya Didi and I for the blue house coordinator Vishal Bhaiya. What? Gattu? This means that even if we get selected, we will be selected for different skits. Yes, Chinky. I am going for the auditions.
After saying this much, Chinky goes to give the audition. Shreya Didi was asking all the children of Greenhouse to recite some dialogues one by one. And whoever was speaking the best, she was selecting them.
Yes, Chinky. Now it's your turn. Introduce yourself in a fun way. Okay, Didi.
Chinky takes a deep breath and then says with confidence,
Hello, I am Chinky and my special hobby is acting. That is why I have come to participate in the skit. If I am in the skit, our house will definitely win. Thank you.
As soon as Chinky introduces herself, Shreya Didi starts clapping and then calls the next candidate. Chinky comes out of the room. Meanwhile, Gattu had also given the audition and he was waiting for Chinky.
Gattu, I feel that I could have done better. Same, Chinky. If I had got another chance, I would have done the auditions better. Anyways, let's go and ask Goody, Bunty, Hari how their dance auditions went.
Gattu Chinky go to class and meet Goody, Hari and Bunty. Those three were selected for the dance, so they were very happy.
Congratulations, friends. Thank you, Gattu Chinky. Our dance practice is going to start from tomorrow. Oh, our results will also come out tomorrow.
Then Gattu and Chinky go home after school. Both were very nervous for the results. Next day, when both go to school, they come to know that both of them got selected in their respective house skits.
Yay, Chinky, we both got selected.
Just then, Shreya Didi and Vishal Bhaiya come to the class.
The children selected in the greenhouse skit should come. We have to start the practice.
Yes, and the children of Blue House should come too.
Bye, Chinky. Best of luck. You too, Gattu.
Then Gattu Chinky go with their respective coordinators.
Everyone listen carefully. The other groups should not know about the practice and topic of our group's skit because they are our rivals. Okay.
Then Shreya Didi tells all the children their roles. Chinky got the role of a mummy and Gattu got the role of a soldier in his skit. Both of them practice hard the whole day. When both of them meet in the afternoon, Gattu says to Chinky,
Chinky, please tell me what role did you get? What? Absolutely not. Shreya Didi has asked me not to tell anyone anything related to our play. Oh, but Chinky, at least you can tell me, right? No, Gattu. Okay then, even I am not going to tell you anything.
Gattu and Chinky reach home discussing this, and then both of them sit in separate rooms and start practicing their dialogues. Seeing this, Mummy asks them,
Hey Gattu, you are here in my room and Chinky in the other room. Why are you both practicing in separate rooms? Mummy, we both are competitors. I don't want Chinky to listen to my dialogues and get to know about my skit. What?
When Mummy goes to Chinky's place, she also does the same. Since both of them are in separate rooms, she had to go to separate rooms to give them breakfast.
Mummy, I'm unable to learn these dialogues. Will you help me in memorizing them, please? Yes, Chinky, why not?
But then Gattu comes over there and says to Mummy,
Mummy, this is wrong. Even I need your help. You have to help me. No, Gattu, I asked Mummy first, so she is going to help me.
Just then Papa comes home.
It is good that you came. These two have really troubled me today. Now let's do one thing. You help Gattu to memorize his dialogue and I will help Chinky.
That's fine. Come on, Gattu. I will help you. Then Papa and Mummy sit in separate rooms and help Gattu Chinky memorize the dialogues. Like this, Gattu Chinky practice a lot till the day of the annual function. And one day before the annual function.
Mummy, Papa, listen.
Yes, kids, tell us what happened.
Papa, take this. It's the invitation card for the annual function. We made this ourselves in the school for you. Yes, and you both have to come tomorrow and see our skits in the function. And many other programs too.
We both will come at the right time and will also clap a lot during your skit.
Okay, Papa, we are going to school. Today is the last practice session of our skits too.
Then Gattu and Chinky go to the school and start practicing with their respective coordinators. Meanwhile, Goody, Hari and Bunty were also practicing their dance a lot. And because of the annual function, decorations had also started in the school. The next day was the annual function. And Gattu Chinky went to school early in the morning with their costumes. After some time, all the parents come and start sitting in the auditorium. Mummy Papa were also sitting in the front row so they could see Gattu Chinky clearly. First of all, Goody, Hari and Bunty's welcome dance starts. This was the welcome dance of our junior kids. And now it is the turn of the school's inter-house skit competition. And the first group to perform is Greenhouse. And the subject of their skit is Smartphone, the new member of our family.
Beta, we can set an alarm in the smartphone, but it can't wake up as lovingly as our mothers do in the morning. That is why it can become an important part of your life, but it cannot become family.
This was the amazing performance of Greenhouse. Now it is the turn of Blue House, whose subject is Indian Army, our saviors.
We are soldiers of the country. We will protect you till death. Ma tujhe salam.
As soon as the skit ends, the entire audience stands up and claps. Gattu's performance was really great. After this, there were some more dance performances, but Gattu Chinky quickly come to Mummy Papa without changing their uniform.
Mummy Papa, how was our performance? Gattu Chinky, you both did very well.
Gattu Chinky are very happy to hear this. But then an announcement is made. All the 4 teams of the house kit come on stage because now we will give the award to the best house kit.
Mummy Papa, now we have to go. We will meet you after the function. Yes, bye-bye Mummy Papa.
Gattu Chinky quickly go to their respective teams standing on the stage. And the award for the best skit performance is given to Gattu's team. That is Blue House. And the second award is given to Chinky's team. The rest of the teams also get participation awards. After the annual function, Mummy and Papa give ice cream treat to Gattu Chinky and their entire team to celebrate their victory.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.